Hi, why learning Python? Well, one of the case study is that recently I was asked to renew my HRDCorp Master Service Agreement. So there are a total of 26 pages. So it is like this. Okay, so there are many pages. Now, interesting thing is that originally that when it come to this page here is empty. So we got to print this out and sign and so on, and then also sign on these one pages. So that one pages is here. So we got to print out that one pages, and then there's a now after that we need to pass back this as a digital copy. So the thing is that how to do that? Well, the old way could be that we print out all the pages and then all we do is just sign on the page, and then after that use the scanner to scan the 26 pages. Actually you only need one pages. So can we actually not to do that, right? Say, is there ways that we can extract the first 24 pages, the 25th pages we print out, and then the 26 pages we also extract it, and finally we combine them together? Well, there is. The thing is that if you use the Adobe Acrobat Combine, okay, you gotta pay, and of course it's much faster, I guess, maybe. Because like this, see. So is there any other ways? The answer is yes, right? And that is the use case of using Python, right? So Python has this, and what I do is that I take the 3 pages and then I use the merger and then I combine them. You see that here I tell that the first one is the original document, so I extract only the first 24 pages, and then the 25th pages is this one is the signed one. It's already printed and signed. So this is the 25th pages. So I want to insert it after the 24th pages, after the 24th page. Okay, so insert the first page of the input 2. So in fact, I only have one page in input 2, which is the signed page. And finally, I merge the third, which is the last page. This is the last page, and then I output it as the PDF file, and the end result is oops, the end result is this one here. So yeah, you see this is a signed one, and here. So this code can be found in here. You just need to look at Google about it. This is the term PYPDF, and it explains this here. Pretty neat. And I'm just copy and modify accordingly, and I run it on the Visual Studio Code environment. It's free. So now I can combine it faster. Hey, thanks for watching. This is Ken Lau, right? I'm more than an Excel trainer. I am an Excel macro trainer, and also now I'm picking up PDF. Hope you like this. God bless you. God bless Asia. Together we excel before 50.